Why would the U.S. military replace the legendary Barrett .50 caliber weapon feared worldwide with a brand new sniper rifle that some soldiers are calling too advanced to fail, and others are calling too dangerous to exist? This is the story of the Mk22 MRAD, a weapon that could change the very rules of long-range warfare. A rifle so precise that it makes hiding on the battlefield nearly impossible. But here's the controversial part: does giving one soldier the power to eliminate enemies miles away cross the line between combat and assassination? Welcome back to Machine Squad, and today we dive deep into the rifle-making headlines, sparking debates, and rewriting sniper history, the Mk22 Precision Sniper Rifle. For decades, the Barrett M82 was king, a .50 caliber monster that could destroy trucks, disable aircraft, and terrify enemies with a single round. Hollywood loved it, soldiers trusted it, and enemies feared it. So, why replace it? The answer is simple. Modern warfare has changed. Wars aren't just fought with tanks and helicopters anymore, they're fought with drones, satellites, and precision strike teams. The Barrett was powerful but heavy, loud, and limited. What the U.S. military needed was a sniper rifle that could adapt to any mission, fire multiple calibers, and still dominate at extreme ranges. Enter the Mk22 Multi-Role Adaptive Design Rifle. The Mk22, officially adopted by U.S. Special Operations Command, is based on the Barrett MRAD platform. And this is where the controversy begins. Why? Because the Mk22 isn't just a rifle, it's a modular weapon system. With just a quick change of the barrel, bolt, and magazine, a sniper can switch calibers on the battlefield. Need to pierce armor? Load the .338 Norma Magnum. Need ultra-long range precision? Switch to the .300 Norma Magnum. Need a standard NATO round for logistics? Use the 7.6 to x 51 mm, one rifle. 3 calibers, infinite adaptability. Critics say this makes war too efficient. Supporters say it gives American snipers a decisive edge. Here's where the debates explode. The Mk22 is accurate to over 1,500 meters. With specialized ammo and optics, some claim it can push well past 2,000 meters. That means a sniper could eliminate an enemy before that enemy even knows they're being watched. Some military analysts argue that this isn't just a rifle, it's a scalpel of war, but others are worried. If one soldier can take out targets miles away with near certainty, is it still combat, or is it state-sanctioned assassination? This is why the Mk22 is both praised and feared. The Mk22 isn't just about caliber swapping. It's packed with tech that changes the sniper game. 1. Quick change barrels, swap calibers in minutes. 2. Adjustable folding stock, built for stealth, transport, and customizable comfort. 3. Advanced optics paired with the Leupold Mark V HD scope, giving snipers the eyes of an eagle. 4. Suppressor-ready, silent, deadly, and harder to detect. 5. Precision engineering, every bolt, every barrel designed for repeat accuracy, shot after shot. To put it simply, the Mk22 makes good snipers great, and great snipers almost unstoppable. The Mk22 has already been spotted in the hands of U.S. Special Forces. Reports suggest it has been deployed in Europe, the Middle East, and in training with NATO allies. Its modular design means snipers don't need to carry multiple rifles for different missions, they just carry one. This reduces weight, simplifies logistics, and makes special forces even more lethal. Imagine a SEAL sniper on a mission. Urban combat, use 7.62. Anti-vehicle ambush, switch 2.338. Long-range overwatch, deploy .300 Norma, all with the same rifle. Now here's the viral part. Gun enthusiasts love the Mk22 for its innovation. Traditionalists argue nothing beats the raw power of the Barrett. Human rights activists claim this weapon makes targeted killings far too easy. Soldiers are divided, some praise its versatility, Others say switching calibers in the field could be risky. This mix of excitement, fear, and controversy is why the Mk22 is dominating online debates, forums, and even TikTok clips. The US isn't the only country eyeing modular sniper systems. Russia, China, and NATO allies are all developing multi-caliber rifles. But the Mk22's adoption by US Special Forces sets a dangerous precedent. If every elite soldier in the world has a rifle that can kill from 2 kilometers away, does the future battlefield even allow for close combat anymore? Or are we entering a new era of long-range death from the shadows? The Mk22 Precision Sniper Rifle isn't just a weapon, it's a statement. A statement that the U.S. military wants adaptability, precision, and overwhelming superiority in every firefight. But with great power comes great controversy. Is the Mk22 the ultimate guardian of American soldiers, or does it represent a chilling step toward impersonal, unstoppable warfare? That's the question I leave with you. What do you think? Is the Mk22 a necessary evolution or a dangerous mistake? Drop your thoughts in the comments because this debate is just getting started. And don't forget to subscribe to Machine Squad for more deep dives into the world's most controversial weapons.